Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about the class 11 chemistry. Class 11 chemistry. So guys, in this section of video, we have to discuss our chapter, that is general organic chemistry. And in previous section of video, we have to discuss about the concept of isomerism. The complete concept of isomerism, we have to know about that concept, that is the compound, two or more compounds having similar molecular formula, but they possess a different structure. That means these all are called isomers to each other, and this complete phenomenon is known as isomerism. In previous section of video, we have to discuss about the classification of a structural isomerism. That means our second one classification possess positional isomerism in this. In terms of positional isomerism, we have to study out when the rearrangement in terms of a structure that is possessed in with the substituent and the functional group positions, that is known as positional isomerism. That means we have to know about that concept. In this section of video, we have to deal with the question. That means we have to see that how the questions are asked in the examination on the basis of this topic of positional isomer. So guys, we have to know that only theory is complete when you have to deal with questions and theory is applicable for the question. That means this is the meaning of complete theory. Otherwise, the meaning of theory is not in the terms of that. So, in the term of this section, we have to discuss about the question of isomerism here. There is a question of positional isomerism. That is, the question is here. The question is write in the terms, write a structure of different isomeric alkyl groups corresponding to the molecular formula of C5H11 group. Write IUPAC names of alcohol obtained by attachment of OH group at different carbon of the chain. That means this question is derived from your NCERT term, guys. That is, first of all, you have to see about the question. Write the structure of different isomeric alkyl groups corresponding to the molecular formula of C5H11 group. Write IUPAC name of alcohol obtained by attachments of OH group at different carbon chain. That means first of all you have to know about the concept of isomerism, that is the similar molecular formula is C5H11 is here. That this tends to the concept of alkyl. You have to know the concept of alkyl in terms, that means this is the This alkyl is obtained from alkene, and this is the formula of pentene here. C5H12 is the molecular formula of pentene. When you have to remove one hydrogen from pentene, this becomes pentyl. That means the concept of pentyl, you have to derive the another one concept with the term of isomerism. So in term of solution, we have to write it solution again. We have to prepare the first compound regarded as the formation of pentanol. That means you have to represent the formation of OH group substitution in it. This is represent in the term of the formation, that is here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and again CH2OH. Your first compound is derived according to this naming, that is there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in it, and you have to derive the concept of 11 hydrogen. You have to count this 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 and to 11, and you have to put one OH in it. That means this is the complete concept of this question, and this is your first structure in terms of isomerism. In this question, there is another question is also added. That means you have to see that write IUPAC name of alcohol. That means you have to also write the name of this structure. What are you? We have been prepared. That means according to this concept, guys, this is your parent chain of 5 carbon. Functional group is added in this. That means our priority becomes to the functional group, and we have to use the lowest Locken rule application from this at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this. Now we have to write the name of this compound. That means the name of this compound is written as pentane 1 all is this. That means this is the IUPAC name of this compound. This is pentane 1 all. That means this 1 carbon contain hydroxy group in it. This is the alcohol attachment with the carbon. That's why we have to take the suffix for this, and the suffix of the alcohol is all here. Now we have to draw the different structure of the isomerism. That means again for this formation, second one is you have to represent the concept like the formation. This is the concept here. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH2 and CH3 is this. 3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10 and 1, 11 hydrogen in it. Complete carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is carbon. That means the concept of C5H11 is completed. Now guys, for the naming of IUPAC in terms, you have to take the first rule for this. That means you have to select the parent chain. This is your parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to apply the lowest Locken rule application for this. That means this is your complete concept of the lowest Locken rule. That means this functional group is our priority and it becomes the lower position. If you have to write from right to left, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number, and from this 1, 2 is the number. That means our lower position gets on the 2 condition. Now we have to write the name for this. The name of this compound is written in the terms like this. This is pentane 2 all. That means second isomer in terms of the positional thing, you have to change the position from 1 to 2 guys. That means this is the concept of drawing isomers. Those all are the isomers to each other. Its molecular formula is also C5H11OH. It's also the molecular formula C5H11OH is there. Now we have to draw the third one. You have to draw again CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2 and this is CH3. We have to again change the position of this functional group because we have to draw the concept of positional isomers now. Now we have to write the IUPAC name of this compound. For the IUPAC naming, we have to, first of all, we have to select the parent chain. This is our parent chain here. For the application of lowest law control, here there is the priority of this functional group, that is OH is a functional here. You have to write the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this becomes the 3 number position. From right to left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in the term of the sequences from right, left to right or right to left, you get same position for this functional group in this organic compound. That means there is a, you have to write from any side. That means I write from left to right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. That means our naming is in terms is written like this. This is your first pentane 3 all is this. That means the concept of another one, we have to change the position of this hydroxy, that is your the functional group of alcohol, on the position of first chain of the carbon and the position of second carbon of this parent chain, and third one is the third carbon of the parent chain of 5 carbon atom. Now we have to draw the another one concept here. How can you draw the another one concept? That is, your formation is written in terms like that. You have to draw another one isomerism. That means you have to take one methyl as a substituent, and you have to take the carbon chain in terms of only 4 carbon atom. That means these all are also the considered in terms of isomerism. First of all, guys, I think that you have to draw anything from this, but you have to take the concept for this. That means your molecular formula will be same. There is not a matter of a structure. How can you elaborate it? Just like the formation, we have to draw the fourth one here. This is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, OH is here. Okay. Now you have to count the complete concept of this molecular formula, and your molecular formula is C5H11OH. OH is present. You have to find the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. Completely okay. You have to complete the hydrogen number, that means 3 to 5, 3, 8 to 10 and 1, 11. That is completed here. Now you have to write the name of this compound. That means you have to select your parent chain. This is your parent chain here. For the numbering, you have to see that there is a 2 terms is present in your parent chain. This is your substituent and this is your functional group. According to the concept of IUPAC nomenclature, we have to know that our functional group is the more priority than the substituent. That's why we have to write the numbering from this 1, 2, 3, 4. For the naming, guys, we have to write this. This is 2-methyl butane. Butane, because 4 carbon is there in this concept, 4 carbon is there. Butane 1 all is there. That means this is the term of this IUPAC name of this organic compound, and this is also the similar isomers for this concept, this question. Now we have to draw the fifth one is here. We have to draw the fifth one is here for this concept. You have to represent the formation like, this is the another one concept here. Fifth one is here. CH3C, only C, guys. This complete tends CH3 and this completely tends OH, and the concept is CH2 and CH3. Now if you think that there is the arrangement of molecular formula gets changed, that means you have to count again it. The number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon is there, that means C5 is completed. Number of hydrogen 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 or 2, 11, that means 11 hydrogen is completed and 1 OH is present. For the naming, you have to write the concept like this. How can you write this? This is also the concept of the numbering in terms, that is you have to give the priority of substituent and functional group. That means your priority tends to this functional group. The numbering is started from this 1, 2, 3, 4 is this. Okay. Now we have to write the naming. This is 2-methyl butane 2-ol is this. That means this is also the same concept. You have to represent the formation, you have to change the carbon skeletal, you have to change the position of functional group. That's why these all are the positional isomerism to each other. That means this is the way by which you can deal with this type of question of this the positional isomers here. Again, we also draw the another one concept here, just like the formation of this. There is another one here. This is 6 number isomers here. We have to represent like this. This is CH3C, CH2, CH3 and CH3, CH2, OH is this. This is the tertiary carbon here. That means tetra number. That means 4 degree carbon here. You have to, this is the concept here. That means you have to write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in it. Complete number of hydrogen is 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 2, 11 hydrogen in it completed. And 1 OH is present. For the naming, this is your parent chain. Why can you select the parent chain like this? Because the functional group is our priority first. That means this becomes that. For the naming, it is written like this is 1, 2, 3 is here. That means you have to change the skeletal also, guys. You have to change the skeletal of carbon also. That means this is also the form of chain isomers. That means these all are the example of chain isomers also, because you have to change in the skeletal also of the carbon. And this is also the example of positional isomers. That means these isomers contain 2 classifications. That means in the terms of writing the IUPAC name of this organic compound, you have to write like this is 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol is this. 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol is this. Now we have to deal with this question. If there is any doubt in this question, you have to again revise this, you have to again practice this at home, and you can completely solve this type of question. That means in previous section of video we have to discuss about the question of chain isomers. In this section of video we have to discuss about the concept of positional isomers. So guys, take a note for this question. You have to practice it at home. And this all are the very easy concept. There is not any hard thing, there is not a difficult in terms, there is not any difficult concept for this. You have to apply only basic concept. That means there is a similar molecular formula, different in the position of your functional group, and you can write the every term of the naming of organic compound in it. So guys, take a note of it. After that we have to discussing about the another one concept of the isomerism, that is our functional isomerism. In terms of functional isomerism, how can you deal with the question in terms of functional? That means where is the attachment, there is only some functional group. So the property of the functional isomerism, we have to discuss this. So guys, before this you have to take a note and you have to take the screenshot of this.